Good morning students. So in the last class we have solved up to the 6th question. So let us continue with the 7th question of the exercise 6.3. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x axis. So he says the tangent to this curve is parallel to the x axis. So in our introduction class, that is the introduction of tangents and normals, we have discussed two particular cases. If the slope of the tangent line is parallel to the x-axis and if the slope of the tangent line is parallel to the y-axis. So in case if it is parallel to the x-axis, dy by dx must be equal to 0, or the slope of the tangent must be equal to 0. And then in case if it is parallel to the y-axis, then the dy by dx must be infinity, or the slope of the tangent must be infinity. So you have to remember these two. Let us take up the given curve. So it is y which is equals to x cube, y is equals to x cube minus 3x square and then minus 9x plus 7. So now the slope of the tangent is nothing but derivative of this particular curve. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. So let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. You get dy by dx, which is equals to 3x square, then minus 6x and then minus 9. So dy by dx, which is equals to, so in all the three terms we can take 3 common. Take 3 common, you get x square minus 2x minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 3. So this can be written as dy by dx. This is equals to 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1. So now we have got the slope of the tangent, and he says this tangent is parallel to the x-axis. That means we have to equate dy by dx with the 0. So here given that the tangent is parallel to x-axis. The tangent is parallel to x-axis. That means so dy by dx must be 0. So therefore dy by dx must be 0. So equate this with the 0 now. 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then take 3 to the RHS, it becomes 0. Overall you get x minus 3, which is equals to 0, and then x plus 1, which is equals to 0. So from this you get x equal to 3, and then from this you get x equal to minus 1. You get x equal to minus 1. And then now you have two values of x. Substitute these two values in the given equation of the curve, we get the corresponding value of y. For x equal to 3, what happens to y now? Y which is equals to x cube, andre 3 cube agtade really. Then minus 3 into 3 square and then minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So y which is equals to 3 cube, it is 27, then minus 3 square, it is 9, 9 into 3, it is again 27, and then 9 into 3 again 27, so minus 27 plus 7. So plus 27 minus 27 get cancels, minus 27 plus 7 will be minus 20. So it is minus 20. So what is the first point now? It is 3 comma minus 20. Now we will have to take up the second case. For x equal to minus 1, y which is equals to x minus 1 ಆದಾಗ y value ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, that we will have to find. So substitute minus 1 in the given equation, it is minus 1 cube and then minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square, then minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. So now y which is equals to minus 1 the cube, it is minus 1, then minus 1 square, it is plus 1, 1 into minus 3, it is minus 3, and then so this becomes plus 9 plus 7. So overall this becomes 16 and this becomes minus 4. 16 minus 4, it is 12. Y which is equals to 12. So what is the second point now? It is minus 1 comma 12, that we will have to write here. Therefore the required points are, therefore the required points are 3 comma minus 20, 3 comma minus 20. The required points are 3 comma minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12, minus 1 comma 12. This is all about the 7th problem. So note down this, then we will move on to the 8th one. So the 8th question, it is find a point on the curve y which is equals to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. So here he has given the curve and we will have to find a point at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining these 2 points. So first we will have to differentiate this with respect to x so that we get the slope of the tangent, and then later we will have to find the slope of the chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4 using y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 formula. Let us take up the given curve. It is y which is equals to x minus 2 the whole square. Now the slope of the tangent is nothing but derivative of this particular function. So here slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. So here you get dy by dx which is equals to 2 times x minus 2. I call this as equation number 1. Next we will have to find the slope of the line joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Now slope of line joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4 is what is that? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So the slope is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is y2, it is 4 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, it is 4 minus 2. This is equals to 4 by 2, this will be 2. That means the slope of the line joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4, it is 2. Now he says at which the tangent is parallel to the line joining the points. That means we will have to equate the slopes whenever the tangent is parallel to the slope of the other points. That means we will have to equate the slopes. So it is going to be 2 into x minus 2 equal to 2. Therefore, or else we'll write a statement given that slope of the tangent is equals to slope of line joining the points, slope of line joining the points, slope of line joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4, 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Howdre 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Now we will have to equate the slopes. It is 2 times x minus 2 which is equals to 2. Howdre? So now here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So you get x minus 2 which is equals to 1. Take minus 2 to the RHS, it becomes plus 2. 1 plus 2 will be 3. So you get x equal to 3. Now substitute x equal to 3 in y, we get the value of y. So put x equal to 3 in y which is equals to x minus 2 the whole square, y equal to x minus 2 the whole square, then y which is equals to x, it is 3 minus 2 the whole square. So y which is equals to 3 minus 2, it is 1 square will be 1. So here the y coordinate is going to be 1. What is the required point now? It is 3 comma 1. Therefore the required point is 3 comma 1. The required point is 3 comma 1. So this is all about the 8th problem. So write down this and then we'll move on to the 9th one. Well, the 9th question, it is find the point on the curve y which is equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. So now this tangent y equal to x minus 11 is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So what is the value of m there? It is 1. That means the slope of the tangent is 1, and here we will have to differentiate this. We get the slope of the tangent, then we will have to equate the slope of this and slope of the second line. So now y which is equals to, what has he given? X cube minus 11x plus 5. So now slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Slope of the tangent is going to be dy by dx. So now dy by dx which is equals to 3x square minus 11. 3x square minus 11. So now call this as equation number 1, and then he has given that y equal to x minus 11 line. So now the slope of the slope of the line y which is equals to x minus 11 is 1. Howdre y equal to mx plus c form dagidili. M andre value 1 agtade, adಕ್ಕೆ slope 1 anta bardevi. Now we will have to equate these two. This implies 3x square minus 11 which is equals to 1. I am equating the slopes. Now take minus 11 to the RHS. 3x square which is equals to minus 11 plus 1 will be 12. So now here 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 ones are 3 fours are. So x square is equals to 4. X square equal to 4. That means x will be plus or minus 4. X square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus root 4, that will be plus or minus 2. 2. So we have got the values of x. Next we will have to substitute these values in the given equation of the curve, so that we get the value of y. So now put x equal to 2 in y, which is equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5 plus 5. So what do we get? Y which is equals to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5 plus 5. So now y which is equals to 2 cube, it is 8, minus 11 into 2, it is 22 plus 5. So how much we get now? So 8 minus 22, it is minus 14, minus 14 plus 5, it is minus 9. So y which is equals to minus 9. Y which is equals to minus 9. Next we will have to substitute what is that, x equal to minus 2 in y. Now put x equal to minus 2 in y which is equals to x cube, y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So what do we get? So here y which is equals to minus 2 cube, then minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So y which is equals to minus 2 cube will be minus 8. Then here you get plus 22, then plus 5. So overall what do we have? So y which is equals to 22 plus 5, it is 27. 27 minus 8 will be 19. You get 19. Therefore the points are so first one, it is 2 comma minus 9, 2 comma minus 9 and minus 2 comma 19, minus 2 comma 19. Now we will have to substitute these 2 points in the given equation of the line, and we have to check which point is going to satisfy the equation. Let us check. We'll take up the first point. X value it is 2, y value it is minus 9. So y value minus 9, this is equals to x value, it is 2, and then minus 11. Minus 9 equal to 2 minus 11, it is minus 9. Yes, it is true. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Then we will have to check the second point. So let us go for y. Y it is 19. 19 which is equals to x. X andre ಏನಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 ಅದು. Minus 2 minus 11. So 19 is equals to minus 13. Actually 19 is not equal to minus 13. That means the second point, minus 2 comma 19 does not satisfy the equation y equal to x minus 11. Therefore the only required point it is 2 comma minus 9. Here we will have to write, this implies minus 2 comma 19 does not satisfy the equation, doesn't satisfy the equation y which is equals to x minus 11. Y which is equals to x minus 11. So therefore the only point is going to be 2 comma minus 9. That we will have to write here. Hence the point is 2 comma minus 9, 2 comma minus 9. So this is all about the 9th problem. So write down this and then we'll move on to the 10th one. Well, the 10th problem it is, find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 divided by x minus 1, where x not equal to 1. So here he says find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. So see here, we'll write the given curve y which is equals to 1 divided by x minus 1. So let us go for the differentiation. That will be the slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. So what do we get now? Dy by dx, which is equals to, so it becomes minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. The derivative is going to be minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. But he has given the slope as minus 1, but also given that slope equal to minus 1, slope equal to minus 1. So now we will have to equate these two. Therefore minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square, which is equals to minus 1. So now I take this to the right hand side, it will be multiplied with minus 1. So minus 1, which is equals to minus into x minus 1 the whole square. So now minus and minus get cancels. We get x minus 1 the whole square, which is equals to 1. Now x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1 means x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. So here x minus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 1. That means x minus 1 equal to plus 1, one case. The other case will be x minus 1 equal to minus 1. So this implies x minus 1 is equals to 1, which is equals to 1, and then the other case will be x minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. So now x which is equals to, take minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So this is the value of x, and then here you get x equal to 0. We have these 2 points. Let us substitute these two in y which is equals to 1 by x minus 1. We get the two values of y. For x equal to 2, y is going to be 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So y which is equals to 1. Y value 1 ಆಯ್ತು. Then for x equal to 0, what happens? For x equal to 0, y is going to be 1 divided by 0 minus 1 andre minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So overall y it is minus 1. Therefore the points are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. So you have two set of points now. That means you will have two equations for the tangent. The points are, therefore the points are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Now we will have to find the equation of the tangent at 2 comma 1 and the equation of the tangent at 0 comma minus 1. The equation of tangent line at 2, 1 is ಹೌದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ y minus y naught, y naught ಅಂದರೆ ಏನದಿಲ್ಲ 1 ಆದರೆ. ಸೊ y minus y naught which is equals to f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. F dash of x naught is nothing but minus 1. F dash of x naught is going to be slope. The slope is minus 1 here. It is minus 1 and then into x minus x naught, into x minus x naught. X naught value it is 2. So y minus 1 which is equals to minus x plus 2. Now take these two to the LHS, you get y plus x and then minus 3 which is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Then we will have to go for the other point. The equation of the tangent line, the equation of the tangent line at what is the other point? It is 0 comma minus 1. At 0 comma minus 1 is again y minus y naught. Y naught andre minus 1 adrilla, which is equals to f dash of x naught, it is minus 1 into x minus x naught, it is 0. So now y plus 1, this is equals to x minus 0 will be x and it is minus 1. That means overall you get minus x. Now take minus x to the LHS, you get y plus x plus 1 which is equals to 0. So these two are the required equations which are tangent to the curve, y which is equals to 1 divided by x minus 1. So this is all about the 10th problem.